So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing an overview of Lodha Astelo Kharadi, which is located near Upper Kharadi, Pune and developed by Lodha Group. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the overview of the project. Lodha Astelo will be constructed on 3.13 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 27 floors with 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं आ चुकी हूँ एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल। एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ सेल्स ऑफिस यू कैन सी जो रोड जा रहा है वो आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करता है नगर हाईवे से, और यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर विद इन 1 किलोमीटर, Eon IT Park also within 1 kilometer and Reliance Smart within 2 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, gym, health club, temple, amphitheater and multi-purpose court and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Lodha Astelo has 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences and 3.5 BHK starting from 1866 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 2148 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Our booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the actual pricing and payment schemes with the location of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Lodha Astelo Kharadi, which is located near Upper Kharadi, Pune and developed by Lodha Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में अगर प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक and like, share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.